When you travel to the North Mountains of Hebra, you can sometimes see a beautiful aurora borealis across the sky during the night. Has your Game Boy been broken for 30 years? Well, you can actually still contact Nintendo customer service by phone about your old consoles. Pokemon Red, Blue, and Yellow were supposed to feature 190 Pokemon, but 39 ended up unused and later debuted in Pokemon Gold and Silver. Overwatch's open beta completely shattered records. In just 7 days, over 9.7 million players joined the fight. Even though Trevor Phillips is at least 20 years older than Franklin in the game, Trevor's voice actor Steven Ogg is actually 5 years younger than Franklin's voice actor, Sean Fontino. At the end of the first Portal game, a hoop suddenly falls out of the sky. The developers thought that it would become a meme and waited for the internet to start talking about it. But it never happened. The tunnel shortcut that can be found in Kalimari Desert actually takes longer than using the normal route. The Nintendo DS product line are the best-selling handheld consoles ever, selling over 154.02 million consoles worldwide. The first PlayStation wasn't all Sony's idea. It was initially a partnership with Nintendo, just until Nintendo decided to abandon Sony and work with Philips. When MK64 was released for the Nintendo Wii, the lightning power-up changed to show a less intense flash. This was likely done to prevent seizures. MR, Mime the Pokemon can be a girl. However, the name of the Pokemon doesn't even change. She'd still be a MR, Mime. Guessing that makes sense, or else you'd think they are all married. In GTA 5, sweat will seep through characters' clothes if they run or exercise for an extended period. In the Japanese version of the game Super Smash Bros., hitting an opponent produces real sounds. This was changed to the more cartoonish sounds in the American release. Nintendo Switch sales in the first 2 days after launch were the most first 2-day sales for a system in Nintendo's history. AQ got his name from a Polynesian eatery that the game's creators visited in Boston. If you run out of stamina and you are about to fall to your death, you can fast travel to safety from midair. Among all, Charizard was voted as the favorite Pokemon by official Nintendo magazine readers in February 2012. It would take about 1,629.4 trillion GameCubes to fill the Grand Canyon. Goombas were the last enemies added to the game. At the last moment, Miyamoto decided they needed an easy enemy, but cartridge space was so limited. So they basically created a little ball with eyes. While playing the course Dry Ruins in Mario Kart WL as a MII, the Sphinx will feature the face of the MII you are using. This child, born on 11th January 2011, was named Dovahkiin. The whole family will now receive free Bethesda games for life. Since the release, Sony has sold over 60 million PS4 units, while Microsoft sold over 26 million Xbox One units. The discovery of the Morph Ball was intended as a puzzle. The last original title produced by Blizzard, before getting Overwatch out in the world, is StarCraft, a game that was released in 1998. Blizzard hadn't made an IP game for 17 years. In Grand Theft Auto 5, if you go swimming playing as Michael and track water indoors when Amanda is home, she will yell at you. Some Pokemon go through major evolution after being traded. It's thought that these evolutions could be caused by the fear of abandonment, and that the Pokemon is trying to quickly improve in hope that their trainers will take them back. In the game, bully Jimmy Hawkins could court and make out with a few of his male counterparts, and people were angered by it. The Super Mario Bros. cartridge includes code for an unused brown ball object that Mario can climb like a vine. It's thought that Psychic-type Pokémon are weak to Bug-type, Ghost-type, and Dark-type Pokémon because they are common fears. The Nintendo 64 had another name planned, Ultra 64, but was later dropped because another company had trademarked the name Ultra for their games division.